Hi friends. Now I would like to talk about one of the questions that I frequently get from students. For example, I'm studying computer science at this point in time, probably first year, second year, third year. Not sure whether I'll get a job when I pass out from the college. It's a difficult situation. AI has automated most of the things, but it cannot replace our critical thinking and the authenticity or the real judgment that as a human we bring into a situation. Like in my experience, there was one aspect that I constantly tell everyone. See if you can achieve this one goal, before you finish your college. This is really a tough one. If I search your name in Google, I should find your name in the first page of Google search results. That doesn't mean that I find you in your LinkedIn profile. So that's not an achievement. So you have to do something so that your achievement speaks for yourself. What are the ways that you can do? Right, I'm going to share a few of my experiences, how I was able to showcase myself, certain things like contribution to the open source projects, and I've run meetups, contributed to them, and also I've submitted multiple patents. So I will talk about these experiences in a more relatable fashion so that you can try to do this before you pass out from your college. Are you game for it?